Birthday!
No!
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Prayers are with you.
Oh,
You're such a nice person.
The prayers was really love. That's all I've ever asked for. It's everything I ask to the people who supports me. I'm gonna perform my best kasi yun yung kailangan kong gawin so I can bring home the next round here. But I just want people to trust me and support me and pray for me. That's all.
Of course. And never change, always listen to your mom and dad. Their wisdom, nothing can ever beat that.
Bait na bata.
Salamat. I love it. I love it. Thank you.
Your favorite flower, oh? Casablanca.
Yes. I love actually this is my favorite flower.
Casablanca.
He knows flowers. He knows flowers. Aw, thank you so much.
Ang sexy pala ni Diane,
Hindi kami palaging nakikita. Maybe because ayaw ng lolo ko naman na nasa States na lagi akong kinukuha ng daddy ko.
Bakit? Why did you live na pala with your lola there?
Well, yung lola ko po is resident na there in the States.
But you went there because of your dad or your lola?
Well, it was originally from my lola. And then also dahil, yeah, I found out with my dad.
I know.
It's okay.